All right, sunny skies we're seeing all across the Upper Peninsula under the Arctic high that was in place that kept temps well below our average again. But look off to the south. You see all that blue? That is the same system that brought us snow back on Tuesday. So it's not really moving quickly at all. Still seeing snow down into Kentucky and West Virginia. But for us, it will be another very clear overnight, allowing temps to drop either at or maybe even just below zero as we head throughout the evening. But after that, expect the Arctic air to begin to retreat its way back off towards the northeast and then cue the warm-up. Let's take a look now at our current conditions. 14 degrees, west winds at 12 miles per hour. So wind chills are a little close to zero right now for us, but temps are well below normal for us. 14 degrees in Marquette, and seeing more of the lower teens as you go off to the west. Lower teens in Ironwood, upper single digits. Cold. Ontonagon at 8 degrees, 15 down in Crystal Falls, and at 15 in Menominee. For us off to the east, more of the lower teens, Munising at 13, 10 in Escanaba, and for us in Ishpeming, we are at 14 currently. Your winds coming in from that westerly direction at 18 in Houghton, so a little breezy there. 9 in Iron Mountain, coming in from the south off Lake Michigan, a frozen Lake Michigan. This water is pretty frozen right now at 12 miles per hour, and 9 in Munising. So winds have been anywhere between 5 to 10 miles per hour throughout the afternoon. They will start to come more from the southwesterly direction as we head into the overnight, though, and that's going to help bring in more of that warmer air back into the region. But temperatures across the state: 16 in Alpena, 9 in Gaylord, and at 15 in Escanaba. It has been chilly for us the past couple of days. We have seen the single digits and the teens for highs, but by tomorrow, it looks like 20s are going to return, and wind chills that are currently below zero for most, or for some of the areas in the UP right here along the Keweenaw Peninsula, that will start to warm up also for us, but currently at 5 below in Escanaba, 0 in Iron Mountain and in Marquette, and 5 below also in Ironwood. So your headlines: we are going to expect that cold air to hang on just for tonight, because by tomorrow we'll see that south wind take over, and that is what's going to really help to bring in more of that milder air as we head throughout Friday afternoon and even for the weekend, as we can see it right now. Spotty flurries for us late heading into the evening on Friday. Not going to see a great chance for that at all, and then the warm-up begins as we go into Saturday and Sunday, and looks like a few of us will start to push above that freezing mark as we head into next week. If not a few of us, it looks like all of us may even get closer to that 40-degree mark by next Tuesday. Area of high pressure starting to move its way off to the east. That will allow this milder air to work its way in as we go into Friday, and by tomorrow there goes high pressure right over Kentucky and southern Ohio. That is going to really help things warm up for us now that we got the Arctic high out of the region. Things are really going to start to cloud up for us, as we'll notice right here throughout the overnight and going into Friday. More clouds for us, and then we'll be looking out for a very small chance of a light snow flurry heading into Friday evening and Friday night. Better chances will come in by Saturday with another weak feature that passes through. Accumulation amounts very small, if anything, for us, and we'll continue to see more of the unsettled conditions going on into Sunday as well, with another small chance of light snow. -1 for your overnight temperature, a few clouds, and chilly southwest winds between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday, milder and a little breezy out there for us. 10 to 20 miles per hour for your winds. Highs, look at that, 24 degrees in Lawrence, starting to heat up also in Ontonagon at 27 degrees, 29 in Crystal Falls, calling for the middle 20s in Marquette, Munising, and Manistee, and also in Escanaba. Your bus stop forecast: we'll start off at -1 tomorrow morning, but it will be a drastic warm-up as we head into the afternoon, as temps do race back into the 20s, as we'll be at 25 Friday afternoon for your high. Going into Saturday, a high of 28. Light snow expected for us throughout the day. Then daylight savings time comes in. It looks like temperatures, they respond to that, seeing more daylight during the afternoon, seeing more of that warmth going into next week. 31 on Sunday, above freezing by Monday, which will actually break our streak. We have had a streak of about 40-something odd days of either temperatures at or below that freezing mark. So things are definitely going to warm up for us, and we'll top off at 42 by Tuesday.